So what really appealed to me about the Practicum program was the fact that I was going to be able to get hands-on experience about my future and what I wanted to try to do after I graduated. So instead of just learning about stuff in class and knowing that I may not use half of it in the future, Practicum gave me that ability to take everything that I learned and put it into the workforce and try to apply what I was learning in all the other classes, putting it into practice and actually using it. So a lot of the skills that I learned from Practicum were actually a lot of the skills that I was lacking in the beginning, whether it was leadership and being able to communicate with people outside of my age range and understanding what people came from and their experiences. It was always a struggle for me because I was so sheltered in my own life, and Practicum gave me that chance to open up and learn from other people and see what is really out there in the world. If I had a chance to do anything differently, I honestly wouldn't, because everything that I did had lessons to it. And like I would say to my past self, you have to learn from those lessons, and every scar, every mistake, every heartbreak, it's always something that just proves that you lived through those times and you're able to make it out at the end. So you got to keep pushing for the next thing.